February 1st, 2021. This one here I got a call from a homeowner. I guess he got an oil burner and he changed his filter and his nozzle. Now he can't get the thing to run. He got no oil flow or wimpy oil flow. Well, I don't know what he did. Maybe he's got a blockage there, or he didn't get the air out of the pump. I don't know.
Then take the first right.
Well, you gotta watch out now. Joe homeowner tries doing his stuff. I mean, he could really muff it up really quick. Look at the flipping salt on the roads. Isn't that nasty? The salt they put on the roads.
Then take the first left.
Wonder why all the cars are out. Look at all the salt. It's worse than salt. Oh shit. Wonder why all the cars are out around here.
Turn left on State Road.
It's supposed to snow today. It's supposed to get a couple 3 inches of snow or whatever, so I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can get this thing running for this guy. Says he's got oil. When the home repair goes bad.
4 miles. Turn right on Elm Street.
When the home repair goes bad. Oh, this thing's broken off. I can't even turn that. That other one there. That thing is loose. That thing was slipping loose right there. It was coming right up on me before. We'll have to take this off and see if we get a flow of oil. This is bad. Looks like you got a bad firematic there that's not opening. You don't need two anyway. It's got one on the bottom there. What a shit show, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get it going for you. Yeah, that's no. Let's see if we get a flow here. flow now. Huh?
I can hear it.
The Firematic he had here was... couldn't spin it. We'll add another one just in case that other one dies on. You got two.
Down basement, mama. What?
Was that the boss?
No, that was actually my mother. One of us stood up all night to keep the fireplace going.
Alright, let's see if we can get this thing back together. Unbelievable. I put an extra shut-off in there because I don't know how good that other one is, and
Okay.
you want to be able to shut it off, right? Especially if you got oil in the tank. You just put this filter in here?
Yeah, yesterday I think. And we put a new one in the boiler behind you, and I think a new one over here. I'm not sure 100%.
On the pump. Well, that one's open. Let's see if we can open up this one now. I got it leaking. Another flipping shit show. I think that one was just loose as a goose. You don't want to be loose as a goose. Alright, it's a tough one. Leave it here. Let me show you with that. Yeah, I don't know why they got an OSV valve. They got a protected line, but it'll be alright. I'm gonna bleed it from the other side anyway, so. What a beast. What the hell's dripping here? Maybe we get a flow now. Oh, this thing's a flipping joke. check the pump filter's probably blocked. I don't think this is gonna pop. It's got an OSV valve on the side, so it's not gonna. Flipping shit show. Might have a blocked oil line here. This thing's really bad.
Ooh, it's already sticking to the ground with snow.
Huh?
Snow's already sticking.
Is it really?
Yeah. Starting to now.
Yeah, we're supposed to get, what, 1 to 3 inches? It's not a lot, right?
Yeah, they're saying more now, though.
What are they saying?
4 to 6.
Really?
Yeah.
But over like 2 days though, right?
Yeah.
It's not going to happen like all at once.
No. The main part of it will be this afternoon. And tomorrow it's supposed to turn into snow rain.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Might have a blocked oil line here too. I mean, I don't know. We'll, see if we get a flow now. Your husband thinks he's Joe Burner Man.
Oh, Lord.
Huh?
Down here all day yesterday trying to figure this out.
Was he swearing?
Oh, yeah. I couldn't hear him, though, but I knew he was.
You couldn't hear him? You knew he was swearing, though. Alright, let's try it again. There we go now. Now we're getting oil flow. Well, that don't sound too good. I don't know how many times he's hit it though, right?
Yeah.
Let it run a bit. Might just be all full of oil in there. Wow.
I'll turn the heat on till 80 so we get home and I'll drop it down to 60.
Some of the stuff I work on is unbelievable, huh? It's like a dungeon down here. He said he changed the nozzle on there. Heating up. Oh, So replace Firematic at tank, clean pump filter, bled oil line, good oil flow. Look at a good draft. They did change the nozzle. It's running. It's going to heat up now. Wow. She's a little crusty, huh? That was bad. I couldn't move it one way or another. That's the problem. I'll leave that for him. I think he knows what was going on because he told me on the phone, right?
Okay, yeah, I kind of think,